Welcome back to your Feel Good Breakfast Show. It is Expresso right here on SABC3. Now, have you ever wondered what it would be like to take a break from the one thing you love to do the most? And when you came back to it, would it be any different? Well, Graham is catching up with Watershed after a 9-year break. Here they are.
The boys are back. Formed back in 1998, Watershed, I think, first started making waves in South Africa with Indigo Girl, an unmistakable acoustic sound that has stood the test of time. Now we fast forward to 2015, and yes, indeed, the boys are back with their latest studio offering, Watch the Rain. We have been waiting a very long time to get them back into our studio. We are overjoyed to welcome Watershed back with the title track from that album. It is Watch the Rain. Boys, it's all yours.
It's the curse of a country, hacking up the bills and breaking down your bedroom walls to see you naked, camera hanging from the walls. Please take a picture of me, hold it up to the light so that you can see it's me, and don't let me playing black and white. Yeah, how about a picnic in the sun? How about the movies in her eyes? How about if I just stay inside and watch the rain? Come on and dress yourself in silver. It's time to make a good impression on the little children hiding behind our walls, wanting to get out. And oh, the world is getting smaller. I see the conversations flying around the atmosphere, but no one seems to notice what it's all about. How about a picnic in the sun? How about the movies in her eyes? How about if I just stay inside and watch the rain? Come on and grab yourself a coffee. Hit the road, spit on the pavement. When you've reached your destination, you'll find someone who's gonna spit on you. Oh, yeah. Oh, and how about a picnic in the sun? How about the movies in her eyes? How about if I just stay inside and watch the rain? Break it down. It's time to vote for the leaders. Give them something to believe in so that I can plan my life around my dreaming. What it's all for. Come on, now let me touch you. I feel your pulses racing, racing, racing all around, but you don't seem to care what it's all about. Oh yeah, how about a picnic in the sun? How about the movies in her eyes? How about if I just stay inside and watch the rain? Oh, yeah. baby girl? How about some music from the crowd? How about if I just stay inside and watch the rain? Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Oh yeah, holding on. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Holding on. Get up. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Come on and watch the rain, and watch the rain, and watch the rain. Get up, get up, get up, holding on. Give it up, give it up, give it up, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, gentlemen. Gideon, Howie, Craig, welcome back, gentlemen, and I mean that in the small sense and the big sense. Unbelievable to hear that unmistakable Watershed sound back again with a few more layers on top. Gents, thank you so much for joining us. We're going to get a very in-depth chat with you in just a moment to find out what you guys have been up to and where these new sounds are coming from, your influences. But thank you so much for joining us again.
Thank you very much.
Awesome to hear the boys back in action. Watch the Rain, their new album, the latest release in about 9 years. We're going to find out what they've been up to in that time and all about their new unmistakable sound and get a second performance from the band.